Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Understanding Earth series. Today, we'll take you on a journey through time and space to explore an amazing story. The birth of Earth. Imagine, 4 billion years ago, a fiery cosmic ball was slowly forming into what we now call Earth. What was Earth like back then? How did it emerge from a chaotic cloud of interstellar dust? Join us as we uncover this mysterious history. Our story begins with the birth of the solar system. About 4.6 billion years ago, a massive interstellar cloud in the universe, also known as the primordial nebula, started to undergo changes. This nebula was primarily composed of gas and dust. Over time, the nebula began to contract under the influence of gravity, and its rotation speed increased. This rotation led to the formation of a flattened, disk-like structure, which is what we now refer to as the primordial solar nebula. As the cloud collapsed, it began to rotate more rapidly and flattened into a disk. The center formed the sun, while the remaining material started to gather into rings around it, marking the process of planet formation in our solar system. Outside of this rotating disk, dust and gas began to gather and form planetesimals. Though these early planets were small, they continued to grow through collisions and the accumulation of material. After millions of years of collisions and accumulation, these primordial planetesimals gradually grew larger and eventually formed the early Earth. However, at this time, Earth was not a hospitable home but a molten, scorching sphere. Frequent collisions heated the Earth's surface to thousands of degrees Celsius, making it almost entirely a sea of lava. These collisions not only heated the Earth but also led to a giant impact event. This refers to a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body, resulting in a significant amount of debris, which later coalesced to form the Moon. In the following billions of years, the Earth began to gradually cool. The initial molten magma solidified to form the crust, and the primordial atmosphere also started to develop. This atmosphere was primarily composed of gases like carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane, but lacked oxygen. As the Earth continued to cool, its surface began to take on the familiar features we recognize today. The gases released by volcanic eruptions formed the early atmosphere. Meanwhile, a significant amount of water vapor appeared on Earth. This water vapor eventually condensed into liquid water, creating the earliest oceans. Earth began to stabilize, paving the way for the emergence of life. So, the Earth we live on today, which transformed from a scorching fireball into a gradually cooling solid crust and eventually developed water and a stable atmosphere, went through a long and magnificent process. This history not only helps us understand the formation of our planet but also encourages us to better cherish and protect our current home. Thank you all for watching this journey through Earth's formation. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you next time.